So a couple best practice, I do not tolerate people join the workshop late. That's not who I am. Okay, I will be calling you 1 time, 2 times, and the 3rd time you'll be in big trouble. You need to be professionally respond to the chat group, not me one-on-one. You don't need to, I'm fine. Thank you for being respectful, but in the chat group, hey, sorry, I have this and that. That's the reason I will be late 15 minutes. If you do one-on-one, that's fine, but that's the expectation. Because we need to start in time, we need to complete in time. That's the expectation. The second expectation, you should review with someone your technical question and answer. Technical question is very important, so you can see your writing skills, your listening skills, and then if you understand this, that's very important. How you do this? If you are in the second shift, you can set up a meeting. A group of people can set up a meeting in the daytime as well. I can review. Good. The third is each show and tell. If you are not able to join, it's okay because of your work, but we actually upload it. Respectfully watch the show and tell, take the notes. Good, because millions of people buy the course from Coursera and Udemy, right? Right. So you buy the course, but so at least the video is there. You should be able to watch very sincerely and take the notes. So these are some of the best practices I wanted to share. Make sure you guys be very careful